Welcome to the Faculty Training and Development Lab at Brooklyn College, a dedicated space for faculty, adjuncts, and staff to create, learn, and get support. We offer computer access and free printing and scanning for your teaching and research needs. Join hands-on workshops offered in person or online covering productivity, media, and teaching tools. Create lectures, podcasts, and instructional videos in our studio space. Explore additional resources, including software tutorials and instructional materials. Our staff are available to provide assistance and guidance. Visit us in Library Room 382 or contact us to get started.